Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel. So ngayon, nagbabalik ulit tayo. So, what's up? This is PTC channel. So ngayon guys, ayan, tingnan nyo. I'm back from the videos. So ngayon is papakita ko yung mga nabili kong Hot Wheels ulit. 3 siya, 3 siya. Yan. Yan yung nabili ko guys. Actually wala na ako na mabiling sports car. Laging out of stock. Guys, grabe. So, out of stock lagi ang mga sports car. Bilis maubos, guys. So, nag-upload ako, guys. Ang huling upload ko, guys, yung nakabili ako ng Hot Wheels BMW 2002. Okay. Nakabili tayo nun. So, ngayon, ito naman. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Unang Hot Wheels, syempre, ito yung binili ko. Ito binili ko sa Walter Mart Department Store. Ayan. Guys, oh. Ito ay Drift Ender. Napakaganda, guys, oh. Para siyang jeep, no? Ayan, police car pala to, guys. Itong Drift Ender na to. Ayan, oh. Drift Ender. Ayan, oh. May pangalan pa yan. Hot Wheels. Meron sa bubong. Paka-astig nito, guys. Grabe, oh. Nasa ano siya, oh. Hot Wheel First Response. 4 out of 5. Napakaganda, guys. Grabe, oh. Ayan. Yan, it's made from Mattel Hot Wheels, empowering generations through play. Siya ay Land Rover. So, Land Rover logo or trademarks owned and licensed by Jaguar Land Rover Limited. Yan. Napakaganda niya, guys. Oh, so, ito yung una kong nabiling Hot Wheels. Napakaganda niya talaga, guys. Oh. Solid na car. Yan, siyempre. Display natin siya dyan. Part 2, itong last pala. Itong Hot Wheels Corvette. Ayan, 1962 Corvette Gazelle. Ayan, Goodyear siya. Goodyear, ayan. Number 62, 1962 car. Ano yan, may logo pa ng Goodyear, oh. Ayan, ages 3 plus. Yes, and Hot Wheels reverse rack. Ayan, napakaganda, guys, grabe, oh. Pero nakabili pa rin tayo nun. Ang ganda niya, guys, oh. Sa likod, ayan, syempre another is made from Mattel. Ayan, makita nyo, guys, yan siya ay 9M, Goodyear Edelblock. Ayan, post it if you read. Ayan, solid. Next car tayo, mga ka-PTC channel. So, last car na pala. So, syempre, meron tayo nakuha pulang car. I got a red car. Pulang sasakyan. Ayan. Lil Roar. Ayan. So, 2025 siya. Siya ay Safari mode. 5 out of 5. Ayan. Napakaganda, guys. So, ayan. Oh. Solid. Ganda. At the back of the package, ayan, Hella KW. The mini trademarks used are licensed by BMW. BMW pala siya, guys. Tama ba? Wala namang nakalagay, oh. Hella KW. So happy to have this on my hand. Napakaganda niya, guys. Napaka-solid, oh. Ayan, ito yung picture ng car. Okay. I like this car. Cool, right? So, if you like this video, so leave a comment and like and subscribe. and don't forget the notification. But I'm back guys after 3 to 4 days. 176 subscribers na tayo. Please subscribe guys. See you guys next time. Bye.